Okay, so I don't like making these kind of videos. I really don't. Um, and this is one of those that's a little bit odd for me because it's something I've never experienced. So, as you guys that have watched my channel know, I designed this guy. It's a radio stand for the SI 4732. And this is the original. And then there were multiple other versions. Lightning over here. Yes, there is lightning. So I printed up multiple versions, or I designed multiple versions. There's some that have a cutout here and a cutout here for access to the speaker port and then to the power switch. Now, I put those out into the wild for people to use in a situation where they want to print one for themselves, which is completely fine. That is actually something that's allowable through Thingiverse printables. It's actually through their program. It's going right here. This is the stand on my Thingiverse page. In here, it's set as Creative Commons Attribution Non-Commercial. So non-commercial means you don't sell it to make money. Okay. Printables. Not for commercial use. Remix, sure. You cannot share without attribution. Okay. So I've had a lot of traction on the video for this case. A lot of people have looked at it. A lot of people have seen this case. A lot of people, I'm sure, have probably printed them. But it was never offered for sale. So just so everybody is aware, I have never authorized anyone to sell this case. I've never given permission. I've never even been asked for someone to be able to print and sell this case. It is not, it's not set up for commercial. It's not a product for that. So as I was going through some videos earlier today, I happened to see one of my subscribers that had printed up one of the cases previously and showed it on one of his videos. I appreciate that. And then I spotted a video just a few minutes ago of this case on a website that I had not put it up there. And it wasn't a remix. It wasn't anything like that. It was a straight up commercially printed. I wouldn't even say it's commercial. It's not. Looking at the quality, it's not commercial quality. It's somebody with a 3D printer that's making them. But it was put up on a website that we all know and have used previously. Right there. This is my case. So they say imitation is the most sincerest form of flattery, I believe it was. What about blatant theft? When it's clearly stated that it's not a commercially available item. It's not to be used for commercial purposes. I don't know. I want to get your guys' comments right down in the comments down below. Not the type of video I like to put out. I like to try to keep things a little more positive anyway. And don't know where to go with this one. It's going to be a little bit of a different moment. Looks like some of the designs I've got coming up may not make it out into the public. May not make it onto printables. May not make it onto Thingiverse. They may be something that I go ahead and just start printing myself. And they may be available coming up. Looks like I'm going to be debuting something a little bit sooner than later. It's something that I was holding off on, but I think we'll be seeing possibly an Etsy store or some sort of storefront coming up soon with some items on it that I've designed, and they'll be coming up for sale. So let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. Again, if you guys want to come along on the journey, feel free to subscribe. Give me a thumbs up for sympathy, maybe. I don't know. Like I said, comments are welcome. I appreciate you guys hanging out. 7-3.